Hi, my name is Dr. Hanson. I am a board-certified OBGYN who's been practicing since 2008. I feel very privileged to take care of women throughout the different phases of their life and was attracted to the idea of Winona and working for Winona due to my own struggles with obtaining hormone therapy for myself. I went through menopause in my mid-40s and really struggled at first to figure out what was actually happening with sleep and mood, as well as the hot flashes. I just did not think that I would go through menopause that early. I had a 2-year-old at home. I was also very surprised at the cost of hormone therapy, and though I shouldn't have been surprised that women's health was being shortchanged, I was. And I felt that if I was having as much trouble getting proper treatment, I could only imagine women who don't have a medical degree would be struggling as well. I look forward to taking care of you. Please let me know if you have any questions. Bye.